Today I'm checking out this Parkside 10-piece screwdriver set, a compact but powerful kit for everyday DIY and home repairs. Inside the set you get 10 essential screwdrivers covering the most common sizes you'll ever need. It includes Phillips screwdrivers in multiple sizes, plus flathead screwdrivers for general purpose work. Perfect for furniture assembly, electrical covers, appliances, and quick fixes around the house or workshop. Each screwdriver features a hardened steel shaft for durability and magnetized tips that help keep screws in place while you work. The ergonomic soft grip handles give you excellent control and comfort, even during longer jobs, and the anti-slip design makes precision work much easier. What I really like is how balanced they feel in the hand. Not too light, not too heavy, making them ideal for both beginners and serious DIY users. The set comes neatly organized, so every tool has its own place and is always easy to grab. Whether you're setting up a workshop, upgrading your home toolkit, or just need reliable screwdrivers for daily tasks, this Parkside set covers all the basics. Simple, solid, and practical, exactly what a good screwdriver set should be. And if this helped you, don't forget to like the video and hit subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY content.